In 2025, you should be trading. It is not supposed to be an option. It's a necessity. These are some of my best trades of 2024, and most of them were on NASDAQ. We did have some good runs on US30 and gold, as you can see right over here. And in 2025, we are going to simply do the exact same thing. With the same strategy in 2025, we are set to see even bigger wins, larger weekend withdrawals as usual. Now, this was my last trade for the year on the NASDAQ, and yes, we won't be trading till next year. You already know it is the holidays, and we all should spend time with our families and all of that good stuff. We'll pick up the markets as soon as we are done with the New Year holidays. And let's just talk about this clean trade that we had on the NASDAQ before the market closed off. Now, this was a really nice one because we had a clean, smooth trend line on the daily time frame that the NASDAQ decided to just respect. It tapped on it. I actually saw it when it did that and made this whole analysis, and then obviously you can see how it played out absolutely well. Such an easy trade. All of the basics that we're always talking about here, that is how we closed off the year with such a lovely trade on the NASDAQ. Now, the real game is right here in the market, the stock market to be precise. So you're about to witness the raw power of trading in 2025. Why? Because more people than ever are recognizing the power of trading the stock market and the potential it has to build a lot of wealth. Imagine being able to sit on your screen and trade $100 account to $1,000 to $1 million, whatever limit you have for yourself. And we already know that the barriers to this trading world are lower than ever. We have a lot of user-friendly trading platforms and endless educational resources for anyone to start their trading journey. Now, gone are the days when investing was just for those people in the Wall Street. Anyone with a smartphone and internet connection can actually just come, sit down on the charts and make as much money as they would want. Now, this shift has created a whole different environment where individuals from all walks of life are taking control of their financial futures. But now, with increased accessibility, it comes a lot of competition, and only those people that are well informed, that are disciplined, and that have good strategies are going to be able to succeed in 2025. So now this is your chance to actually gain an edge in the market, to simply learn the rules of the game and to position yourself for success in the evolving trading world. But my question to you now is, while others are building wealth in the market, creating multi-million-dollar portfolios, are you going to be content just spectating their progress? Now, studies do show that a lot of people have dived into the trading world. Your friends are going to be talking about the stock market, and you don't want to be the only person left out of that conversation. Now, that is why I'm about to explain from experience how I have been dominating the NASDAQ market for the whole of 2024. Now, if you apply the one principle that I will explain in this video, you are going to be able to do the exact same thing in 2025. So now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We trade the NASDAQ over here. If you're returning, welcome back. You already know what's up. Don't forget, hit that like button, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe to the channel, because this isn't just another boring finance lesson. I am going to be teaching you how to dominate the market in 2025 with just one single principle. You should understand that trading isn't just about throwing money at the screen and hoping for the best. It is a strategic business, and it will never work if you can't understand this word, risk. Now, I have mentored a lot of people. I have given signals to several people that have blown their trading accounts just because they don't understand this very word. You do understand that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you understand that trading is a business, and with any business there is a certain element of risk that is going to be associated with that. Now, let's just imagine this, right? You walk into a casino, you throw a wad of cash onto the roulette, and then you spin the wheel. That is gambling. That's not trading. But in trading, right, risk isn't something that you're supposed to be scared of. It's something that you should understand. It's something that you should manage. You should be able to know your limits, set realistic goals, and never risk more than you are able and willing to lose. Now, let's just break it down, right? Risk, research. Now, for you to be able to have a shield against bad trading days, you have to thoroughly research the market, because yes, bad trading days are really going to be there in trade. Now, this is going to involve you understanding the assets you are trading, the companies you are investing with. As for me and my team, we're going to be trading the NASDAQ and US30. Now, my job is to understand what moves this market, how they move, what time do they actually move, and all of those other good things. Then after you understand all of that, you simply just analyze and respect the market trends. We were able to benefit mostly on the NASDAQ because we respected the overall trend in this market. Now, if we go over onto the screen, you can clearly see that for the past year, in fact, for the past 2-3 years, NASDAQ has been on a really crazy bullish move. And we also simply looked for bullish positions, which led us to have a really good positive year. Now, the next thing is information. Now, especially us that like to trade the stock market, right? We should understand the fact that it's a constant flow of a lot of information, right? There's a lot going on in the stock market. And we have what we call market movers, right? Now, whether it's a company's earning report, economic event, or a political development, these are going to significantly impact the stock prices, right? And obviously cause these, crazy fluctuations in the market. Now, being aware of these events will simply help you anticipate potential market moves. They're going to help you to assess risk and to know if there's going to be any threat to your trading account. That way you can, exit the trade if you are in a running trade, or you exit the market for the day, the week, or whatever is going to be happening at that time. Then we have the strategy. Now, we all know this, right? You need to have a strategy. A well-developed trading plan is the roadmap to success. Now, this is going to simply outline your entry points, your exit points, everything you want to see before you go into a trade, everything you don't want to see before you go into a trade. So in there, you might also want to include things like your trading psychology, risk tolerance, money management rules, and understand the fact that yes, you can trade technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trend line, support, resistance, all of those things. But what exactly is the strategy for your business all about? And obviously the last thing, which is going to be knowledge, right? Continuous learning in the market, right? What I knew about the NASDAQ in 2023 is totally, different from what I know right now about the NASDAQ, because the market is constantly evolving. So you need to adapt as the market also evolves. One thing that I've always told myself is I will forever be a student of the market. Oh, that's the word, right? Risk. When we're talking about risk, we're not talking about avoiding losses entirely, because at the end of the day, that's not even what we aim for in the market, right? We don't aim for a 100% win rate strategy. No, we actually just want to make more profits than we have losses. What you are going to do in 2025 is to take calculated risk. You are going to take risk that aligns with your trading goals and your risk tolerance. It's all about learning when to hold the trades and also learn when to close the trades, especially when they're going against you. Now, the main point that I did emphasize in this video is to embrace risk, and to do that, you have to be intelligent about it, right? Remember, you should treat trading like a business, not like a game of chance. Now, as you do that, remember to always stay within your means. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? With that, it's been Tino, and I'll see you in the next lit video. Peace.